Good morning. It's the ambassador calling you from Moscow this morning. As I came out last night, looking at a number of Russian companies today. Going to meet with some government officials. It should be an interesting couple of days, but a lot of foreign investors are gathered here this week for a big conference, and we'll give you more details later in the week. Asia overnight continued its move back down. We saw China down about 13 bips, India off 1.2%, and more concerns about tightening there. So these themes remain. South Korea and Taiwan also weaker, between 50 and 100 basis points. So Asia moves back down. Now that's a trend we have seen bucked when you look at the rest of the emerging space, especially those markets that are most exposed to commodities. Into Central and Eastern Europe, Russia up 1.2%, another strong day for Russia today. Continuing to see the oil markets and the metals companies come back, especially steel, some operating numbers for a couple of big steel companies in Russia who also have exposure in the U.S. market, Severstal, Yivraz. And those numbers actually are very strong. Steel production up about 14% last month. So we're watching those numbers. Into Turkey, down 10 basis points, currency up 15 basis points. Turkey had a strong move yesterday. As we look into South Africa, a market that lagged a lot of yesterday's strong commodity rally, up 1.3% today. Currency also 46 basis points stronger. Finally, into Brazil this morning, we're expecting to open about 50 basis points after what has been a very strong day yesterday. So again, to continue the theme, commodity prices are leading the snapback. Volumes are not particularly strong. The things that we're watching on the headline that'll give you more sense on the strength of both this rally because of possibly the moves in the dollar, the euro, and even the S&P and the U.S. banking sector, all which have been a big part of this move down over the last couple of weeks. Watching the ECB's Constancio speak, interest on sovereign credits, give you a sense on what they're thinking on Greece. In the United States, Volcker Senate testimony again will give some more insight into the Volcker rule and the taxation on the banks and the potential disruption of the banking model that all these guys have known for so long. So Volcker's importance has never has not been this strong since his time as the Fed chairman in the mid-'80s. Those are the markets we're watching. S&P's up about 3 basis points this morning. We'll continue to keep you updated. That's it from here.